Okay. My topic is augmented reality or extended reality. What is augmented reality, I'll tell you later. Now, firstly, I want to start with a short introduction. Our world is stepping into information era. Our society is becoming information society. But what does it mean? What is key feature of information society? For me, the key point is anybody, anytime can get any information he wants, any legal information, of course. You can ask me, and what? This situation, we don't know, we don't have this situation now. We have to realize this situation in future, and it will be a great deal in future. So, what is augmented reality? Augmented reality is a view of real life objects integrated with some computer-generated data. For example, graphical data, text data, sound data, GPS data, or something else. Let's take some examples. Let's split examples by use cases. First use case is getting static information about something. For example, you see anything in ancient museum and you can get information about this thing, its history, who has found it, and so on, its purpose, and so on. It can be very useful for education, for all stuff. So, next use case is validating data. Sometimes we have a choice to believe or not to believe someone. It can be vitally important for us. For example, you see a policeman and you don't know, is he a real policeman or not? Imagine, you can check immediately, is he a real policeman? Is he entitled to ask you a passport? Is he entitled to check your baggage, to check your car? It can be vitally important because of fraud. So, next use case is communicating. Imagine you can push like button on any real object, for example, for this table, or any real brand, for example, for Philips, and you can get commands on this trademark from our people in real time, without communicator, without any extra devices. It can be very interesting stuff. So, next use case is games. I'm not a games addicted person, but I believe that augmented reality will produce massive new games, maybe massive new types of games. So you can ask me how it can be possible. We need some devices. How I can see any computer-generated data? Let's take a look at now, at nearby future, and even in this at distant future. Now we can use augmented reality using Android or iPhone devices and some special applications. And it looks like this. You see some real objects, houses, and you can see which organizations are situated in these houses. For example, Harvard University or something else. Or this is Red Square. You can see Red Square, Собор Василия Блаженного, and so on. With some GPS data, it's not very useful now. It's just kind of fun, but this is the beginning.
And what should I do for this? What should I do for this? Just to take a picture of it, or what?
No, just switch on your camera in your iPhone and launch special application.
And you see the names of
Yes, right.
Yeah, in real time.
From Google's application.
Yeah.
From Google's.
Yeah. Let's take a look at nearby future. This year, Google is going to present fantastic device. It will be absolutely new devices. It will be a kind of glasses with built-in screens. Using it, you will be able to see real environment with computer-generated picture as integrated picture. It will be like this. And you will be able to see integrated picture like Terminator does. Maybe this way. I don't know how. So,
Just disappointed.
Now it's very difficult to predict which way our life will be changed by these devices, but our life will be changed by these devices without any doubt, I believe. So it we will see in distant future. You can use your imagination or read something in science fiction books. Maybe some devices will be implanted into our bodies, or our bodies will be implanted into some devices. I don't know. So, in spite of great advantages, augmented reality will bring us some drawbacks. Let's discuss which drawbacks will bring us by augmented reality. First of all, people won't learn something new, because therefore you anytime can get any information, any translation of any word, any information about table, about anything you want. And I believe that this is the main drawback of augmented reality. What about you? Do you like this invention or not?
I feel scared.
Why?
Yeah. Just because everybody can see everything about you, everything about other objects around.
This reality demands creating a sort of huge database on every object in the world, except
Sure,
human
can be.
beings.
Yeah, it won't be a centralized database which was ordered by Google, for example. It can be lots of databases in your home, in some other home.
Centralized in one space.
Home country,
Why not?
or in your home country, or just my home,
In your home, why not?
and just physically how it can be like how
do
can
you have computer?
Sure.
The database can be in your computer, for example. We can't imagine now what we will have in
I
10
mean,
years.
every people, just every person who's going to use it will be provided with this database
Maybe.
and everything on Earth.
Or maybe connected to it.
Well, it's connected.
And there will be huge servers that will be able to handle this amount of data.
Of course.
And these servers
Analyze the
will
data.
consume huge amounts of power.
Of
And we will run out of power soon.
We will provide a lot of job places.
That was my
I mean,
idea.
not power. I mean, there's this power, like, I don't know, from Earth.
So you just see controlling the situation. You mean political power, economic power?
No, it's
electricity.
yes,
Or energy.
electricity, energy, and all that stuff that we used to.
Oh, we can build lots of atomic
Power station.
power
Atomic
station.
power station that will
Or
use
so
the
something-
power of sun.
New kind of power station will be invented.
Solar.
Solar.
Maybe new kind of energy.
Yeah.
So the end of the world is
Yeah, I don't
Yeah.
see the problem in this.
Very
because of this
optimistic.
augmented reality.
Yeah, very optimistic, Lana.
Yes, but which way our lives will be changed? For example, what will be role of school teacher be if any school child can get any information about class topic before teacher starts talking? Our education system will be changed by augmented reality, I believe. Or what our lives will be if we can see true or false our president tells in real time.
That would be great.
It's fantastic, yeah. It's fantastic. Our life will be changed
Yeah.
fundamentally, deeply. So, somebody wants to tell something.
Have you heard about this thing before? I mean, this augmented reality.
Once again, this term.
Augmented reality.
Augmented reality or extended reality.
It's in the movies about spies already, but it's not invented yet.
It is already invented. This year, Google is going to present this stuff.
But again, launch
No,
this year.
I thought about another thing.
launch this thing.
Launch means producing, start producing.
Yeah, and
Yeah.
production.
Yeah. So maybe it won't be very useful, but this is the first step.
Okay.
And what is the purpose? Why are they doing this?
You just wear it and you see integrated picture, real world and some extra data which is generated by computer. Maybe like this. No.
But in your eyes,
Mhm.
to see us the
No.
lights, to maybe.
Like Terminator, this picture, or something else.
So just Marina meant that she doesn't need this extra information.
She knows.
Yeah, the outer world is enough for her. Yeah.
So,
Why bother with all this stuff?
okay, I believe our lives will be changed deeply by this stuff.
Sure.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you, Andresha, very much. Thank you. So, okay.